Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make cheesy garlic bread rolls. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 4 slices bread, 100 grams of grated cheese, 8 to 10 garlic buds finely chopped, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon oregano, salt to taste, oil and water. To start with, put in a bowl cheese, garlic, black pepper powder, chili flakes, parsley, oregano, salt and mix well and prepare stuffing. It is advisable to put less salt because cheese already has salt in it. Next, cut border of the bread from all the sides. Now dip the slice in water and squeeze it nicely. Now put 1 tablespoon of stuffing on it and fold it and cover it tight from all the sides. Prepare all the rolls the same way. All bread rolls are ready to fry. We need to fry this on a medium flame until golden brown. Now remove this and fry all the bread rolls the same way. Crispy cheesy garlic bread rolls are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.